Hi there, Lisa Schermerhorn here, and I am a mindset coach. And I want to talk about a second project that I'm working on now. I started out with a original project where I refinished my 1,200 square foot deck, where I sanded. You can, I think, see a little bit of it. There you go. Sanded and stained that, and now I am working on my balcony above my bedroom. The second login, I don't know if you can see that well, the inside is rotted, and so I pulled the boards off, and voila, there was a wasp nest inside of that particular rotted log. So I had to hold off and wait for an exterminator to come in, and that's all taken care of. So now I am pulling all the rot out, and then I have some materials that I have to use, one that's for rot and one that's an epoxy that I'm putting inside the rotted log, all of them, but there's one in particular that's pretty bad. Putting 2-inch boards, new boards up there, and we're hoping that the new boards will hold up that log and keep it in place. So I will keep you posted. But I want to tell everyone how grateful I am for all the feedback that I've had on doing these projects, that many women have said that they've been inspired. Some women have even said, wow, thank you for being so vocal about it. I've been doing this kind of stuff for years, and I never thought twice about it. But for me, it was a really big deal. So I want to thank you all for the feedback, and I will keep you posted on the progress of my deck.